What is multimedia? Multimedia is a combination of different types of content as text, image, audio, video, graphics, and animation to present information. It allows people communicate, learn, and entertain in more engaging way. It is used to computers and internet, TV, education, entertainment, and more. The example of multimedia: a website that uses text, pictures, background music, and videos. A PowerPoint presentation with words, graphics, sounds, and animations. A video game that includes sounds effects, music, text, instructions, image, and animation. Another example: an online learning in module that uses recorded lectures. The elements of multimedia. The 5 basic elements are text, image, and graphics, audio, video, animation. Benefits of multimedia: makes learning and communication more interesting and engaging. Help people understand information more easily. Improves memory and retention. Support creative and imagination. Can reach a wide audience using different forms. The importance of multimedia. It is a powerful communication tool. Enhance how we share and receive information. It encourages active participation instead of just reading or listening. It is essential in modern technology, education, and workplace.